Hey everyone, we built Twin and what it does is simple. Reads a catalog an agent would use, predict failures, break it for real, grade it honestly and write back what it learns where the agent can find it. How it works. This is my demo estate data hub page. I search for the raw feed of daily currency rates straight out of Postgres. Every property starting with Twin was written by my agent. Every currency conversion in this estate resolves through this table. For this, the fragility score is 61.5 and is ranked first out of 66 assets. This row ends in verification 0, which means Twin has never actually broken this table. It ranks it first by reasoning about the graph. Now, the model one step below it, STGFS rates. Same rates, cleaned up plus one added row, so USD converts itself. On the same row, but now verification is 1. Twin broke this one for real in a shadow copy. So the catalog tells you which parts have been tested and which haven't. Now on terminal, this is Twin reading its own properties back out of Data Hub over MCP, the interface an agent would use. 66 out of 66 assets, all 17 properties intact as we saw on the demo estate. Okay, now I break something for you. Twin predicts 37 assets out of 66 affected, each time by its own model schedule. Now it's running the fault for real. This takes a while, but I had to shorten for this demo. It creates a schema called Twin Shadow Merchant ID node at source, puts a view over every real table so that estate stands up in seconds without copying data, nulls the column in that copy, then runs real DBT builds of every downstream model into that schema and the real dashboard queries against it. As you can see, 228 statements all inside that one schema, and then the schema is dropped. Each model is built alone. The first result per model, predicted 1 and got 1. And Twin prints a warning under it. One scenario is 1 data point. For the second result block, this is the real number. 16 models could have broken, but 11 actually did. And the precision is 0.69. Look at those 5 false alarms. These are 5 false alarms and Twin names them. I can delete that assumption and score a perfect 1.0 score, but then I will start missing real breakages. Okay, on this command now, you can see Twin is picking its next experiment. The one I just ran now at the bottom has been tested, so there's nothing left to learn from it. So it picks owner departure next. That's raw PG FX rates. That's the most fragile table in the estate. That's the one from the browser, the one that said verification 0. So Twin tests where it knows least. Next, you should note that Target picks which platforms to run against. There are 2 of them, commerce and operations. Everything so far was commerce. Now this is operations. You can see 25 data sets against commerce's assets. Yeah. So different sources, different owners, its own scenarios. Thank you.